Monster Withdrawal just emptied America's silver supply. Look at its $60, $70, $80 spot price. It's going to be a good Christmas. Tens of millions of ounces of silver disappearing from America's official vaults. And here's the thing. When silver starts physically vanishing like that, prices can move fast. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner never claimed his prize. We've got 20 silver eagles just sitting here with no home to go. Don't be that guy. Click that link I left down below. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. Now, check this out. Here's the big headline. Over 48 million ounces of silver were pulled out of COMEX vaults in October. That's one of the biggest two-week drops we've seen in decades. 48 million ounces. Imagine 1,600 tons of silver bars being loaded onto trucks and leaving the warehouse. Now, we don't know exactly who took it, but it sure wasn't a small retail order. When that much metal leaves COMEX, it usually means a major institution, a hedge fund, or an industrial buyer decided they'd rather hold the real thing than paper promises. And that's the signal that the supply chain is tightening right before the holidays. When you've got less silver sitting in vaults and more people wanting it, that's your basic supply and demand explosion waiting to happen. Right now, silver demand isn't slowing. Industrial use is ramping up again. Solar, EV, electronics, even the big traders are back in. They're chasing hard assets after the Fed hinted at more liquidity support and after we got this recent spike from a brutal silver squeeze in October. That means the market's already sniffing out a shortage. Less supply in COMEX, more demand in the real world, and that gap is where price spikes are born. Here's where things get interesting. Timing. We're entering the holiday stretch. Jewelry demand goes up, industry stockpiles materials, and investors look for inflation hedges before year end. If those withdrawals keep silver tight, there's not much left in the tank for a sudden demand surge. After this recent change, COMEX silver inventories show less than 250 million ounces available for delivery. That's not a lot when global silver runs over 1 billion ounces a year. When people talk about $60, $70, $80 by Christmas, they're not just making it up. The ingredients are sitting right in front of us, shrinking supply, rising demand, and a market that's already heating up. We'll get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.